Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to a little weekend in my life with my parents in town. If you missed my last video, I vlogged the first couple days of them being here, but now we have a whole fun weekend ahead, which is gonna be a great time. We actually have some kind of fun activities planned, which is gonna be really cool. We're trying a restaurant tonight that I've been dying to try for a really long time, so I'm excited. I think it's about 9 a.m. I honestly just got up and kind of was cleaning up a little bit after we were hanging out here. Just tidying, making sure that the place is put back together a little bit. And now I need to get some work done before we're meeting up with my parents later this afternoon. So I'm just gonna hop into that right now. It's a few hours later and Con and I have left the house. It is the most gorgeous day ever outside right now. 78 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. It's just so warm. Literally first day that I've gotten to wear shorts this year, which feels so good. Oh, there's really nothing better to me.
A hot Friday.
A hot Friday.
Gotta love it.
So good. The beach is looking gorgeous over here. We are on our way to meet up with my parents at Venice Beach Bar for some
surprise, surprise
tacos. Never been done before by us. Hello, parents.
Everything looks good, you guys.
And we're back. Just got our lunch here at BBB. Connor's still waiting on his, but we got some yummy food. I decided to go for the buffalo chicken wrap today. I don't know why, it was just sounding really good. We're going for it.
The bad angle on it.
Sorry. There you go. There's the good stuff. It has been so long since I've seen you guys. So sorry to abandon you there, but I popped out for what I thought would just be a quick little trip to get my nails done. Ended up taking an hour and a half. So that was interesting, but they look so much better now. Oh my gosh. Like, those nails were kind of killing me and they were old, so it was time for sure. The thing is that it took longer than I expected, and so now I am rushing to get ready because we are heading out for dinner in just a few minutes here. My parents are calling Uber and they're gonna stop and pick us up, and then all of us are going to this new restaurant in Culver City that I have been dying to try. It's called Etta, and it's Italian, and it looks seriously amazing. A bunch of our friends have gone and told us that it is absolutely delicious. So I'm very, very excited to try it tonight. And I think beforehand we're actually going a little early to grab a drink. I guess there's like a bar in the lobby of the hotel there that actually is like pretty cool. Again, this is all just hearsay from our friends who have been there. But they said that like a lot of the time there's live music there and they have really yummy drinks. So feeling a martini moment coming on for sure. So that's kind of the plan. My parents, we're just calling their Uber, so, okay, yeah, they're still at their hotel, so we have a little bit of time, I think, which is good, because as I said, I literally got home like 5 minutes ago, and I was like, shoot, I have to get some nicer clothes on my body. I'm gonna do a lip, but I need to drink some water first, so I'm gonna go try to hydrate a little bit. I'm feeling like I have not been getting enough water the past couple days. We found a pool table in this a hotel bar that we're getting a drink in. Got an espresso martini, so did Mom, so did Connor. Dad got a margarita, but he's just hanging at the bar while we mess around with the pool table here.
Go.
Oh, Connor. That is rough.
Oh my god, too obsessed about the next shot. Totally chunked it. I think pool is the ultimate sport where the... Yes!
Oh, he's such a big fat loser. Oh no.
Big
Such a loser.
Fat loser.
Will he do it this time?
I don't think so.
Oh, there you go, Con. Way to go.
No cheating on anybody's
Getting
score.
really
No one cheated. It was just Cimorelli rules. Cheers.
Salud. Salud.
Oh wow. Oh, that is so good. We've started off with some olives, which actually are so good. They're really hitting the spot right now for everyone. Delicious. And then the focaccia just came, which comes with this like truffle, honey, buttercream. I don't know exactly what it is, but apparently the focaccia is one of the best things here, so I'm very excited. Oh, regatta, sorry, yeah, I forgot. It is regatta. So I'm very pumped. Our food just arrived and everyone is loving their dishes. We're passing it around, trying a little bit of everything. So I got the bolognese, and this is probably the best bolognese that I've literally ever tried. It's ridiculous. It's so good. Like the food has just been absolutely insane so far.
Limoncello.
A strawberry sorbet. We don't
Chocolate
even
mousse, strawberry mousse, I don't know.
not fully sure, but it looks amazing.
Spoon and ready. Chicken.
Oh, we don't even get a shot at it.
Okay, ready?
Holy moly, you guys. I'm a little hungover. We definitely sent it with the parents last night. Definitely. But it was so much fun. We had such a fun night last night, you guys. But I really wish that we did not. Molly. No. We're not doing that. I don't know what that is, but you're not gonna eat it. Okay. Definitely would not be upset if we didn't have plans today, but we do, and they're actually really fun plans, so I'm excited because we are going whale watching, which I've never done before. And we're also doing that out of Newport Beach, which I've also never been to Newport Beach before, so it's gonna be a really fun day, but holy hell, it is no joke right now. So I just made myself a liquid IV. I need to put myself together because look at me. Well, considering that we were like in bed 40 minutes ago, it's not so bad.
We're doing all right.
We're doing okay. Good morning, fam.
Good morning.
We made it, we did it. And we just got all of our food, which is all looking really, really good. Those potatoes have my name on it.
Well, Matt, I'll help you out with that because you don't want that.
Yeah, it's not what you want, so you know. Got a little bagel and lox here, and we have a gorgeous view of the beach. Look at that. It's a freaking amazing day out. I'm loving it. Well, we have made it to Newport. It's looking so beautiful.
What a day.
We are currently running very late for our whale watching, so we're gonna see if it works out.
Yeah.
We don't know if we're gonna actually be able to get on.
Oyster bar menu.
Oh, there you go. We're gonna see if we're actually able to get on this boat or not. I am unsure. But regardless, it's a gorgeous day here in Newport, so we will have fun no matter what we end up doing. Okay. So we did miss our whale watching tour, but they were able to move us on to the next one, so we will take off in about 30 minutes. So of course in the meantime we figured might as well hit a bar. Got a nice little glass of Sauv Blanc, which looks beautiful, just the way I like it to look. And there's actually a really pretty view back there. I'll show you in a sec. Views are so gorgeous right here, and we are about to get onto our boat and go try to spot some whales. Nope. Whale noises are different.
No, that gets the whales out.
Thank you. Check out all the sea lions out there just sunbathing. So cute. At least we got to see a little something. We saw one in the water earlier too, but I couldn't catch it. It was too quick. This one did not want to let another one up. Reminds me of Finding Nemo. Don't they all fight over the rock or whatever? Gerald. Whoa, look at that one go. This one over here is just floating on his side. Having a grand old time, hanging out, chilling. They're all yelling at each other. I love them just sticking their fins up, trying to get warm. It's not enough room. Oh my god, wait, look at that little sleeping baby right there in the middle. Oh, what an angel. Oh my gosh, that is so, so cute. Heading in for a little appy. Thank you, Con. Getting a couple appies after our boat tour. We have some ahi nachos, some lettuce wraps, and a little shrimp cocktail. Just a little something. None of us are really that hungry, but we just kind of wanted a snack. Hi friends, it is now Sunday and I am currently walking down to the farmer's market really purely to pick up golden beets because I want to bring that golden beet dish that I've been making to a dinner party that we're going to next week. And I don't know if you can buy golden beets at the grocery store, so I didn't want to risk it. Decided to go and pick them up from the farmer's market right now. Connor is going out on a bike and he has some work to do today, so I think it's just going to be me and my parents today. And I believe the plan is to go back into Malibu and go to Duke's again because it was crazy delicious and we've all just been talking about how that was an amazing meal and we just kind of feel like going again. So I think that is the plan, but kind of TBD. Haven't spoken to them yet this morning. I think we're all just kind of tired. It's been a busy couple of days and so everyone just kind of wanted to chill and do their own thing this morning and then meet up for lunch. It is another gorgeous LA day though. Oh my gosh, we are being so spoiled right now by lovely spring weather. Couldn't be happier. Okay, beets. I'm kind of feeling like I'm gonna go with the candied beets instead of the golden. I love them both, but the candied looks so pretty. So I feel like this is the move. Unless, should I get both? I don't know. Ended up going with just the candied beets. By the way, it's so warm out. I had to take my jacket off. Anyway, went with the candied beets, and now I don't think I'm gonna get anything else, but I think I'm just gonna kind of wander in case something catches my eye because we're here, so you might as well. Okay, the flowers are so pretty today. I think I have to get some. Like these ones, so colorful. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Feeling this here, maybe. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I ended up picking up a few extra things at the farmer's market. Not too much, but just a couple little things. I will show you when we get home. And then I wanted to go to Starbucks and I had a reward, so it was free, which is always the best. So we're gonna pick that up and then head back home. And we're back. Let me show you what I got. I'm giving Molly Cat some outside time because it's just so gorgeous out there and I'm happy to sit out there too. Should be fine for a second while I kind of put everything away and get situated. But let me show you what I got. It only looks full because it has my jacket in it. It's mostly not full. But I picked up some arugula. That's pretty much the lettuce that we keep in our house, so I figured might as well. Got the candied beets, like I told you. Won't be using these until later next week though. And then the only other thing I got is I ended up getting 2 tomatoes. They were just looking really good. Farmer's market tomatoes are literally what got me into liking tomatoes last year, whenever that happened. When did my obsession with tomatoes start? I think last year. I can't wait until they start having their cherry tomatoes too because they're so good. But these were looking amazing as well. I'm so happy. And then of course, got some flowers. These were just so gorgeous, so bold, so springy. Had to have them. Oops, there goes a petal. So I'm going to get these into some water now. Oh, and of course also picked up my chai, a nice warm chai. It's about to be iced chai season. Honestly, right now it's an iced chai day, but I just love the hot chai so much. I got really into them this year. I'm not quite ready to give them up yet, but it's about to be iced chai season again. I feel like I need to go check on Molly Cat. I get so paranoid. She really is pretty good, but sometimes she wanders. Molly. Hi, baby. Okay, good girl, you can stay out here. You want to come inside? Okay, we can go back out in a second, okay? Later, we picked up the rents again. Hello, friends.
Hey.
And we just stopped in for lemonade for a quick bite to eat before we head into Malibu. I think we're gonna go check out the Getty Villa there, which is gonna be really cool. I got the soba noodles and kimchi, the broccoli, and the pineapple chicken. They're all so good. And then the carrot ginger lemonade. This is the same one I got last time and it's delicious. Well, we had a little change in plans because we were planning on going to the Getty Villa, but you have to like reserve a time to go, and unfortunately it was all sold out today. So we decided to call an audible and we found a play playing at the Santa Monica Playhouse called Jews Are So Fun? Jews Are Too Much Fun. Yes. It looks really funny, cute. They're in previews right now, so we just got tickets and we are walking over there now. The show starts in about a half hour. All right, we're heading in. This is the show that we're seeing here. Jews Are Too Much Fun. Couple hours later and we just left the show. It ended up being really, really cute. It was pretty short too, like hour 15, one act, but we all really enjoyed it. I thought it was really cute and fun. There you go. It was my first time at the Santa Monica Playhouse. All of my friends went one time for like drunk theater or something like that. I was doing something else, so I didn't get to go. It's a really cute little community theater in there. So actually one of the older guys in the place said that he had been doing shows at the theater since 1964, I think.
Yep.
Which is crazy. That is a very long time, but it was very good. And now we are headed into Malibu to go to Duke's because it was just too good the first time. We have to have it again.
One last time.
Exactly. In we go. So excited, round 2. Cheers, fam.
Cheers.
The Last Supper.
One of you will betray me.
Who will it be? Just got our appies here at Duke's. We have the Korean sticky ribs. Ooh, that is hot on one side. And the poke tacos again, because they're just a must-have here. Appies were delicious. We actually ordered the sashimi originally, but they were all out, which is always a bummer. But we got the Korean sticky ribs instead, and they were delicious. I don't even know if I've ever had ribs, to be honest. Probably when I was a kid, I don't know. I feel like what's like the chain that does I want my baby back ribs? Chili's baby back ribs.
Yep.
Anyway, I do have like a weird
Hold the microphone.
Yeah. Connor always makes fun of me for that, because anytime I'm like randomly singing, I always hold the microphone up and he's like, what are you doing? Like, why are you doing that? Anyway, I do have a weird, kind of vivid memory of potentially having ribs at Chili's as a kid. Like, I kind of have a weird memory of that. I don't know. Certainly have not had ribs for the past 15 plus years. So, it was delicious though. Really enjoyed it. And now we have gotten our entrees. Mom got the mac nut again, which is so good. You can just never go wrong. We almost all got the mac nut, and then somehow we all ended up with different things at the end of the day. I got the seafood hot pot, which looks amazing. Look at that broth. Oh, just looks perfect. And Dad got the banana leaf fish and shrimp.
It's mahi and shrimp, yeah.
Yeah, looks amazing. I'm very excited. Dessert time, we had to get the hula pie again. Didn't get it for free this time, unfortunately for us.
Look at that angle.
Yeah, I mean, it's gorgeous, delicious. Oreo crust, macadamia nut, hot fudge, obviously vanilla ice cream, whipped cream. It's so good, even my mother's eating dessert, and if you know her, then you'll know. Chica. Thank you. It is the end of the night here, you guys, and I'm going to end the vlog. Dropped my parents off at their hotel a couple hours ago, said goodbye. Always sad, just sucks like knowing that it's gonna be a couple more months till we see each other again, but that's okay. It was such a fun trip, such a fun weekend. So thanks for coming along, and I will see you in my next video.